All right, guys. So I know you might have been actually, waiting or looking for a way to actually make money online via, freelancing, those hot gigs that are actually selling on Fiverr and also on Upwork. Now, in this video right now, right here, I will show you guys those, those guys, those, freelancing stuff that will actually make you cool cash for yourself. But first of all, please note that you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and this is going to make you cool cash, very high amount of money for yourself. So please keep watching this video and don't go anywhere. So we will actually show you guys those actual stuffs, those freelancing gigs that will actually make you more money this year. So and you'll be happy for yourself that you actually watch this video. And please, to support me on this channel, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube. So let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back. Alright guys, so it's Dominion here again, and let's go to Fiverr. And as well, Fiverr right now, the first one is actually website design. So website design is actually a big gig right now on the market square, on even on Fiverr and also Upwork. As you can see, this guy says $950 just to design a websites, a front to side website for someone, and it's going to make $950. And this one actually says I'll build a modern website for you as starting from $100. So that's his basic amount, which is $100. Yes, so that's to tell you that these guys are really making it, they're really killing it and chilling with these gigs. Yes, so this is what you guys can literally do to make money for yourself. These are the hot selling gigs. And as you can see, this guy also, he says 1,595 for his basic plan. Wow. And it's literally cool because there are so many of them around it, and it's also, guys, there are, there's a whole lot of money to make on website design. You can just learn this gig, learn this skill, learn it from somewhere, even if it's online or offline. Just learn something that will actually fetch you income and keep on pushing and pushing and pushing. One day you make your first sale, and with your first sale you keep on going and going and going higher and higher. So that's literally how it is to freelancing. And this guy also here, as you can see here, it says 600 I think US dollars, and they're really killing it here. Right, as you can see, this one starting from $20, $5, $10. Okay, I don't think there's anything from $5. But as you can see, this one, it says this is the second hottest gig, which is SEO. Now SEO will actually fetch you nothing less than $100. Yes guys, so $100 first of all, and that's how it keep on going and going and going. There are different guys that would actually do SEO for you, and when you're actually starting up, you can start up with your first gig. Maybe may just put your price very low, and this one is starting for whooping 120 and $1,200. Yes guys, so there are a whole lot of cash to make online. As far as you're freelancing, the thing is that there's always a very high tendency of you making money online. As you can see, this guy is also $180. The other one is $150, and the third person is $150 also. And that's how they keep on going and going and going, and you make cool cash for yourself. You get, so you just can't sit there and expect money to come from. You just work to make money. So the third one is app development, and as you can see, this one says I'll develop an iOS and Android app for you. $1,500 for his basic plan. The second person said $300 for his basic plan, and this third person said $100 for his basic plan. So there are a whole lot of guys, there are a whole lot of things out there, a whole lot of things you can actually do, and these guys are really killing it. And I can see here $250, $250, $50, $100, $350, $300, and that's how it's keep on going and going, and you make money for yourself. Guys, the sky is your limit on this stuff, and the sky is that the sky is very large enough to get more people. Social media is the next one, and social media management. So it says $100 for his basic plan. As you can see them, there are a whole lot of them. Social media management, social media account manager, that's what they call it. And as you can see here, $75 here, $180. different one. It says I'll be your Amazon account manager, Amazon FBA. Yes, and it is also doing virtual assistant. You can also do this also and grow your Instagram engagement. It says I'll manage your Instagram account with genuine engagement. Yes, because depending on how cool you are there. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much and peace.